This is what you want to see. Nice big row, nicely made. It's been made pretty quick, very little rain, and the baler's about to land. I've not seen one of these balers before. Apparently it's made in Austria and it's a quality made product, but I know nothing about it. But it's a big baler, produces quite a big bale, just probably over the 4 foot mark. This is permanent pasture. It's been flooded through the winter and in April. It's had no fertiliser because it was too wet to fertilise, and we've had about 54 bales, so it's cropped really well. So 54 bales off 9 acres. The bales are about 4'6" and they're nice solid bales.